Gardening is often synonymous with the outdoors, where plants bask in the natural sunlight. However, with the right approach and techniques, it's entirely possible to grow vegetables indoors, even without direct exposure to natural sunlight. Indoor vegetable gardening brings the joy of cultivating your own fresh produce, regardless of space limitations or weather conditions. While natural sunlight is optimal, alternative methods, such as artificial lighting and creative adaptations, can effectively nurture vegetable growth indoors. Understanding the importance of light for indoor vegetables. Natural sunlight is the primary energy source for plants, driving the process of photosynthesis crucial for their growth. However, certain vegetables can thrive under artificial lighting if provided with the right spectrum and intensity. Key factors for indoor vegetable growth. 1. Light spectrum. Plants require a specific light spectrum for optimal growth. Blue and red lights, mimicking different aspects of natural sunlight, are vital for photosynthesis. LED grow lights that encompass these spectrums can effectively replace natural sunlight for indoor vegetable growth. 2. Light intensity and duration. The intensity of light and its duration are critical for healthy plant growth. Most vegetables require around 10-12 hours of light daily. The light source should be positioned at an optimal distance to ensure proper intensity without causing heat damage. 3. Placement and light distance. Placing plants in proximity to the light source is essential. Adjustable fixtures or hanging systems allow for optimal distance adjustment as plants grow. Hanging lights or using reflective surfaces can maximize light exposure for better coverage. Selecting vegetables suited for indoor growth. Certain vegetables are better suited for indoor cultivation due to their size, growth patterns, and light requirements. Some popular options include leafy greens. Vegetables like lettuce, spinach, kale, and arugula are excellent choices, as they don't require as much light as fruiting vegetables. Herbs, basil, parsley, cilantro, and chives thrive indoors and are often used in smaller quantities, making them suitable for limited indoor space. Microgreens. These nutrient-dense mini plants are quick to grow and require minimal space and light, making them perfect for indoor gardening. Root vegetables. Certain varieties of carrots, radishes, and beets can be grown in deep containers under specific artificial lighting conditions, indoor growing setup and maintenance. Container selection and soil quality. Choosing the right containers with proper drainage is essential for healthy root development. High-quality potting soil with adequate nutrients ensures the plants receive essential elements for growth. Temperature and humidity control. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels in the indoor environment is crucial for plant health. Adequate ventilation and the use of a humidifier or misting can create an optimal growing atmosphere. Watering and nutrient management. Consistent and proper watering is vital, avoiding both under and overwatering. Managing nutrient levels using organic fertilizers or hydroponic solutions supports healthy growth. Regular monitoring and care. Regularly monitoring plant growth, checking for pests, and providing necessary care such as pruning, staking, or transplanting are crucial for maintaining healthy indoor vegetables. Conclusion: embracing indoor vegetable gardening. While natural sunlight is optimal, technological advancements in artificial lighting and indoor gardening equipment have made it possible to grow vegetables indoors effectively. By understanding the specific light and environmental needs of plants, selecting suitable varieties, and maintaining a well-managed indoor setup, you can enjoy a successful and rewarding indoor vegetable garden. The joy of harvesting fresh, homegrown produce is within reach for anyone passionate about indoor gardening, regardless of natural sunlight availability. With dedication and the right approach, a thriving indoor vegetable garden is achievable year-round.